Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. And today we are building a JAWS board application Ruby and Rails. So what it includes mainly? So it includes an authentication and it'll include the roles like job seeker and recruiter, and as well as to create a job and apply jobs, to create a companies, and you can also create a reviews to the company. So let's start our application first. So Rails generate, sorry, Rails new jobs board. Yes. So after that, so we need to copy few gems that, so already added this. So jQuery Rails carrier wave device a normal gems only. So copy those gems. So paste it at the bottom. Yes, done. So now we need to run again bundle install. Yes, it is done. So after that what we need to do? So we need to install device. So and before that I'm going to copy the styles folder. So yeah, we copied it. So after that, so we added gems, and we also copy the styles folder. So now we need to install device. So Rails generate device install. Yes, done. So here we have to do few things. So first we need to configure for this mailer thing. So we need to add this one to development.army file. So we can put it at the bottom only. Yes, that is done. After that what we have to do? So we have to create home index. Okay, we need to generate a now controller. So price generate a controller called static pages. So it having index, having home and about. Controller. Yep, done. This is, so we need to visit routes now. The home we're gonna make it as a root. That's it. So other than that, so we need to add the flash messages to application.html.erp, means our layout file. So we're gonna be added after the body tag. That's it, I think. So now we need to generate views. So first we gonna be generate model. So right, generate device user. Yes, we'll generate device views. Yes, now we're gonna be run migrations. Reg db migrate. Yes, so let's see. So we install a device and we need to generate a job scaffold right now. So rise generate scaffold jobs, job having title, string, and description, text, and after that, so experience also needed. So string and location, string, and salary is gonna be integer, and user references, right? That's it. Now run reg db migrate. Cool. So we also done generated scaffold, generate a scaffold for the jobs with the user id. It is also done. So it is for the day one. So thanks for watching and hope you like the video, and so please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank